Hello, ladies. How are you today? And I am Deb. You are in the kitchen, in the office with Deb. My mistake. I got the kitchen on my brain, thinking about some work I got to do in the kitchen and what's for dinner. But anyway, we are going to play the Quirky Declutter Your Home game. And yes, they're cards, but they're not organization cards or decluttering cards. We're going to make this a little bit different. As you hop on, say hello, and you might want to grab a piece of pen and paper because we're going to have a fun, interesting game for you today. It's going to be so interesting. Now, I'm getting my cards together here. They are, let's see if I can get a good image for you to see. They are cards. They're an octagon shape. They're very hard to keep together. But anyway, they have crystals on them. Now, what I thought we would do, I don't think you've ever played a game like this. If you have, please let me know. I'm very curious. Now, what I thought we'd do, let's take the challenge for the week. We'll do one card a day from Monday today, all the way to Saturday. And let's see if we can complete the decluttering challenge. Let me remind you, this is not as easy as you think. You're going to have to use your head. You have to think out of the box. This is what I came up with. And it was really quite interesting. So now what I'm going to do, I got my cards together. And you can see I'm watching you. I'm shuffling the cards in my hand. I'll let you see over here. I'm shuffling them. Okay, now let's pick out a card for Monday. I'm going to pick from the middle of the pile. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Now that is pink. I got to remove my pink fluorite. Now, what these cards are crystal cards. Now, it says pink fluorite, immense pieces of your soul. Reigniting its fragments to make you whole again. So, what we are going to do with this pink card today is, remember what I said? I'm going to get my own little piece of paper here to remind me. I'm writing down, where's my pen? Of course, I got my poinsettia pen for the season. Monday is pink fluorite. And it says, remember we said, mends the pieces of your men's soul and brings together again. Now, your challenge, your decluttering your home challenge is See this pink? How pink it is? You need to find something pink in your household that either needs to be decluttered or thrown away. You're thinking, how am I going to find anything pink? Well, think of it this way. Do you have a pink room? Are the walls pink? What about your kids? Do they have pink crayons? Pink markers? That means check the pink marker, make sure it writes. If it doesn't, you know where it goes, ladies. It goes in the trash. That is where I'm getting at. Hi, Heather. It's nice to see you. We just picked the card for today. Okay. Now think out of the box. Maybe it can be a baby toy or a Barbie doll. Maybe the Barbie doll's dress is totally ruined and it's got stains all over it. And you want to sneak it into the trash. Why the little one's not paying attention? So think out of the box of what you're going to declutter that's going to be pink today. Now, I'm going to shuffle the cards again. And I'm going to pick a card for Tuesday. Da, da, da. Now, do we go with the top cards, lady, or do we go with the middle card? Okay. Yes, love pink. Well, Heather, you got to find something pink to declutter around the home. Oh, my goodness. This is my favorite. Oh, my goodness. Can't even say this. Lepidite. It's purple, a bright purple stone. Now, here. Change is coming. Dot, 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 dot. Be aware of your bad habits and patterns. Interesting, huh? This is for Tuesday. So Tuesday, you're going to look for something purple to declutter. Now remember, you got to think out of the box. What do you have that's purple? Old sweater, old towel, blanket. The challenge is to find either declutter it or put it in its proper place. Get it put where it belongs. This is the color for Tuesday. Remember, change is coming. Be aware of your bad habits. And I will write these up and put these in the group. Now, let's work on Wednesday. What do you think of the game so far? Pretty interesting, huh? Certainly going to be a challenge. So, let's go ahead and pick another card. Ooh, that's a tough one. I think it's black and white. It's either royal blue. Oh, no, it's blue. It's royal blue with the white in the background. It's called a blue spinel. Revive and keep alive. Blue will renew your energy for life. So I'm going to say let's go with the blue, since the name of the thing for Wednesday is blue. Blue spinel. So that we can renew. So find something that's that bright blue. You know, that bright royal blue top that you wear with your black pants that looks so good with black. Do you have a vase that's royal blue with that royal blue in it? If you can't get all the different colors, that's fine. Don't worry about it. But let me know as you go along when you're decluttering during the week. And I'll put it in the group of what you do find with that. This one, I have some blue, but I don't have a lot of blue. And I don't know if it needs to be decluttered well, maybe you could put what you could do is with that blue spinel, maybe if you have two different of the same color in your closet, put all the blue spinel colors together, that royal blue, I call it, put that together. Okay. Now for Thursday, and I'm going to be checking up on you guys every day to see what's going on if anybody's did this. Now, hopefully we won't pick a repeat color. If we do, we're going to have to throw it back in, just so you know, because we want to get a good variety here. Da, 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 da. All right, let's go ahead and pick one. Ooh. Okay, ladies, I gotta take my septarian, known as the dragon stone, instills confidence and self-esteem. This is gold. You might not be able to tell, but it is gold. Confidence and self-esteem. Do you have gold? I know everybody has gold jewelry or silver, gold bracelet, gold ring, whatever it is, maybe even a gold top, maybe a beautiful gold skirt with the gold color in it, gold crayons, gold markers. Find something in your house that's gold. Maybe it's an old vase you really don't care for anymore. Put it in the donate box. This is for Thursday. Now we're going to pick a card for Friday. Da, 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 da. I'm going to have to really shuffle these cards because you can see they're kind of an octagon shape. Oh, but you know what? Let's go with this one. That's interesting. I just picked this up showing you a shape, but let's go with this for Friday. Look at that beautiful green in there. Now we got the purple already, so let's go with the green. Okay, what is this stone? This stone is fluorite. Ooh, organization and clear priorities. Structure will provide you the freedom. This is for Friday. And this is fluorite. This is a beautiful, I'm going to say it's more emerald green or a lime green. Look how beautiful that is for Friday. Now, keep in mind too, when you're looking at clothing, see these two colors? Look how nice they look together. Who would ever thought pink and green would go together? I mean, purple and green. So if you have some green pants, put a purple top with it. See how it looks. Look how pretty. Look at that beautiful green color. That is for Friday. See the octagon shape on the cards? Those are very hard to keep together. Now, our last and final card, ladies. This is what you're going to be decluttering on Saturday. The final day of our challenge. Trying to keep them all together and not let them fall on my hands. They're such an awkward shape. They're very hard to shuffle here. I'm just going to have to pick because you really can't see. You know what the weird thing is? I was looking at this earlier, and it's funny that it popped up, and I know I shuffled the cards. Now, that's weird. But anyway, rainbow. I'm going to call this the rainbow because you could see all the different colors in there. The blue, the pink, the yellow. This is Saturday. So this is moonstone. Ooh. This is rainbow, and you're thinking, rainbow? How am I going to find anything rainbow? You will. Nurturing, divine, feminine, intuitive, power. Drawing power from the divine, feminine energy. Perfect for us, ladies. This is a rainbow. I'm going to say we're going to call this the rainbow color. You can look for something with the rainbow colors in it, like maybe you have a painting on the wall that has all these colors in it, like the rainbow colors, and it's a beautiful art painting like that was painted. Again, crayons. Do you have a top with the rainbow colors in it? Do you have a tie-dye top? Do you have a vase with stripes there? Like Heather said, a scarf. Yes. And maybe what you even could do, and take it a step further, go ahead and take this rainbow, or like Heather can do, is take the scarf, the rainbow scarf, wear it on Saturday for your divine and your feminine energy. You could even take the step ahead and do that. What do the kids have in the house that are rainbow? Do they have a rainbow top that's too small on the kids that you need to donate just in time for Christmas so you can help somebody else? This is our last card for the week. I'm calling it the rainbow, even though it's the moonstone with the gorgeous blue, pink, yellow in it. This is going to be a challenge for me too. So I'm taking the challenge with you. It's going to be it's a little quirky. Like I said, it's a little quirky game, but it's going to be fun and it's going to be challenging. It challenges you to think out of the box to declutter something that's rainbow. Or maybe you'll discover when you find your rainbow, whatever it is, whether it's a vase or whatever, maybe you'll find that, hey, why didn't I leave that out more? Why am I not using it? That is such a beautiful vase. If that's the case, let me know. I'd like to hear that. Because you don't know what you're going to find until you start looking for the color. So if you get up in the morning, concentrate on a certain color for today. Like today's color is pink. Concentrate on the pink. Right away, I've got pink in here. This is not getting decluttered. There's no way. This is one of my favorites. That's why it's up. But I'm still going to look for pink stuff in the house. Like I have a pink box organizer. I have that. But I need to, well, actually, I'm looking at the box now and I'm thinking, okay, I got to find a better way to put the stuff in there and make it a little neater. So maybe I'll be doing that today. So you concentrate in the morning when you get up, say, okay, today's color is pink. I got to find something to do color that's pink today. And then you concentrate on it. And then as you're subconsciously thinking about it during the day, you're going to be conscious of what you're looking at in the house, regardless of red and green, Christmas all over the house now that 'tis the season, right? You're going to be looking for the pink. Saying, do I have anything pink? Should I go through my daughter's markers and get out the ones, and why she's not painted or at school, try them, see if they work. If they don't, get them in the garbage. You know how that goes. Do I need to check broken crayons? Get rid of those. Maybe bring out a new pack of crayons and say, oh, your crayons were broke here. Here you go. Have some more crayons, and then you can encourage them to draw and color while you're busy cleaning the house or working, whatever you're doing. So think of this as a challenge. Like I said, this is a quirky decluttering challenge. And do we play this in my Declutter Your Home and Office group? We are this week. We're playing it too with you, along with you. We're doing it, except they've got different colors. Because I'm doing this live here with you. Now, remember, my Declutter Your Home and Office group, it's going on now. You can join anytime. DM me. Let me know if it's of interest of you. Like I said, we're thinking out of the box, but we're also taking it a step higher. Not only are we doing the color decluttering game, we've got our own organizing steps that we are keeping track of, that we have to get done for the week, our goals. So if that's for you, let me know. I'm going to write up the colors later on and what we're decluttering for the week. Today's Monday, it's pink. Think about your pink stuff. And I will be talking to you in the group, and we'll see what we come up with each day for the decluttering game. And like I said, you might discover a treasure that you're like, why don't I leave this out and use it? This is so beautiful. Let's just see what happens. Let's see where this goes. Does it lead to crayons, markers, clothing? What does it lead to? Or maybe perhaps a favorite cup that's pink, something that you want to bring out now. You find it and you're like, oh, why am I not using that? So, ladies, thank you so much. Any questions? Drop them in there. Let me know, and I will see you in the group. Bye.